Dear GM, thanks for making this job so much harder than it needs to be. So, unlike other automakers where they have a screw in, they don't have a screw in. They put it in a weird part of the engine and you actually have to either knock it in or push it in. Whatever tool they got for that, I've tried hammers, I've tried this, I've tried that, I've tried that. It's the same thing, it's the same size. Now I'll tell you what, I put this in and for whatever reason this goes in. I tried putting this in and it doesn't, and I ended up messing this up by using a hammer on it because this is soft metal. But that's not my fault, that's Chevy's fault for making it so difficult for such an easy part. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I didn't damage this, it just got twisted. I'm gonna clean this up, because if you guys are looking to get a PCV valve, there is literally nothing. It's just a tube with a little hole, a tube with just a little hole, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys are looking to get a PCV valve, I think you guys could just clean it, right? If I knew that, I would just have cleaned it up, popped it out, cleaned up, and put it in. But that's why you're watching this video, because it's gonna help you guys out. You guys don't need to spend money on a new PCV valve, because you're never gonna be able to get that back in. This will go in. I don't know why it's gonna go in, but it does. As you guys can see, it's the same size. It's the same PCV valve. It's the same size. But for whatever reason, because this has been in there for the life of the engine, perhaps it's just a little bit, the diameter of the base is just a little bit small enough, and I'm not even gonna clean the base up. I'm not gonna clean the base up because, well, I wanna get this back in. Maybe I'll clean the base up, I don't know. But I'm just gonna use something. I'm gonna use a metal rye brush and pretty much just clean this up. I'm gonna pop it back in because thanks Chevy for wasting this new part. We're not gonna just reuse this old part. I watched a couple of videos. This guy just popped it out, popped it back in, popped it out, popped it back in. I can't be the only one who has issues with this. Let's all be serious. Anyway, that's my rant. I thought this was just an easy pop in, pop out kind of deal. Apparently it's not easy pop in, pop out kind of deal. Whatever.